guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a beautiful day. Well, it's not outside because it's quite windy and cloudy, but it is inside because today I have my Bare Minerals makeup pack that I've bought, and I'm going to try out the makeup that's in it. And I've never tried Bare Minerals before. I've never tried anything Bare Minerals before, so this is quite exciting. So I discovered QVC Beauty just over a week ago, and I have now blocked myself from it. I think I bought something in less than 24 hours of watching QVC Beauty. I realised it was a very dangerous channel for me to be watching. So what I bought was this. It's a Bare Minerals pack, and you get 4 items in it. So I'm going to get it all out now and show you. So the first one is the foundation. It's the original foundation. It's supposed to be one of the best foundations out there, and I've wanted to try it for a long time and never actually got round to it, so I'm quite excited to use that. I bought it in the shade Fairly Light. Bare Minerals are great with their shade ranges, and they've actually got a range of, I think it's about 30 shades of foundation, which well, it should be like that with every foundation really. It's not the lightest shade because I don't think I've got porcelain skin, but I have still got like fairly light skin, so I thought that would be quite a good match. I haven't actually tried it yet, so fingers crossed it is. If you go onto the Bare Minerals website, you'll find this at £27. That's obviously in the UK, and this is for an 8 gram pot. And if you go onto the QVC Beauty website and want to buy this, you will see it for £24. But they do also add postage and packaging on that, which is £2.95. So really, you're only saving yourself 5p. And if you really are a penny pincher, then get it from QVC, I guess. Other than that, just get it whatever's easier for you. The next item that I got was the blush. This one here. This is 0.85. Yeah, 0.85 gram. And it's Statement Radiance. This, I don't think I actually got to choose that. I just chose the foundation shade, so this is the one that came with it. But that's a blush. I also got a brush, which is a soft focus face brush. You can't actually get that one on the Bare Minerals website actually, because I did actually look for it because I was trying to price it up. Ooh, I never told you. If you go on to Bare Minerals website, this blusher will cost you £21. And then the final product was mascara, and this is the Bare Minerals Love Every Lash Micro Defining Mascara. Which is that there. I also couldn't find this on the Bare Minerals website, so I'm not actually sure whether or not it was like a limited edition one or not. I'm not sure, but this is just in the black shade. And if you go on QVC, I think I couldn't find it singular on QVC. I could only see it as a duo on there. But the mascaras, they range pretty much from, I think the lowest one was £12 to the highest one was like, I think it was about £21 for those. So this is all on like Bare Minerals website. I'm just going to go off that. This will cost you £27 on its own. This will cost you £21 on its own, and this could range between £12 and £21. There's also the makeup brush there, which I haven't really got a clue, but you can't really get many really good makeup brushes for under a tenner these days. So and like for a big brand like Bare Minerals, I can't imagine that's much lower than a tenner. If it is lower than a tenner, that is. So on the QVC, the reason I bought these, obviously there's the bag as well, which I'll show you there. It does actually say Bare Minerals. Excuse my nails. So I got all 4 of those items, including the bag. That cost me £28.98, and then postage and packaging on top of that was £3.95. So I think I did pretty well. I think I've saved quite a bit of money. The only problem is that I wouldn't probably have bought that stuff on the other hand. Like, I would have maybe one day I would have tried the foundation because the reviews on it are that good, but I probably wouldn't have bought everything else. I think that's the beauty with QVC and why it does so well, is because you get a bargain, but you don't actually get a bargain on stuff that you would actually necessarily have bought. So I bought it knowing that I was getting a hell of a bargain, except that I probably wouldn't have bought it. Anyway, so that is why I've banned myself from QVC Beauty. But I'm making a video out of it, so they must have done something right. Bare Minerals is a San Francisco-based makeup brand. Their products are they're powered by nourishing and skin-loving minerals. So all their products are pure, and rather than making you pretty, they base it on making you feel pretty. And I think their motto is to always be different. So that's what I love about Bare Minerals, is it is just all completely like natural mineral. So usually I put my concealer on after I've done my foundation, but because this is a powder foundation and my concealer is it's a liquid one, you can't put liquid on top of powder, but you can put powder on top of liquid. If that makes any sense. So I'm actually going to do my concealer first. I do feel that I've got too many blemishes on my skin to be able to wear like a powdered foundation, as it just doesn't really cover them. I don't know what anybody else's thoughts on them are, but I'm not liking it so far. It's just not covering it enough. Like, I can just see like on the camera there. The colour of it is pretty good though. It's pretty, I've matched it pretty well. I'm actually just going to put a bit of powder on my face because I just don't like the look that I'm getting just by the corners of my nose and my chin. For the money that it costs, I'm definitely going to use it again. But I might actually do it next time and use my Benefit Professional primer with that one, and maybe that'll make a difference, because maybe it's just the primer that's not matching with it. And what you guys think? At all? Ah, bloody beautiful. I'm gonna go in with the blush now, but I think I'm gonna go from a different brush than what I normally use. This is a Spectrum A04 brush. As you can see, it's never been used. I go in with a bigger brush. It's not bad. It's not bad though, that one. It's a nice subtle colour. One of my favourite new things to try is always mascara. I don't know what it is, but I absolutely love buying mascara. And one of my favourite ones, as I'm sure you know, if you've seen some of my videos before, is the Roller Lash, which is by Benefit. This one is actually the brown one, because I just think if you've got lighter colour eyes, as mine are green, having more of a brown mascara can bring out the colour of your eyes more, especially in the daytime. So that's what I use as my daytime mascara. and in my nighttime that I've either got like a little, I think it's here somewhere, oh there, it's a travel size roller lash and that one's in the black, and I've also got the Bad Girl Bang travel size in the black as well. Just for Benefit just make the best mascaras, they really do, and I haven't found any better than that. So now I'm going to try this Bare Minerals one. Not a bad brush. I like the smaller like plastic brushes. This is a smaller one, but it's not, it's more like bristles. It's a bit weird, but we'll see. So there's the one eye. I don't know if you can see. It's okay, it's not like a lengthening one. It hasn't really lengthened my lashes in any way that I don't think. It's more of a subtle one, so I don't think that's a bad one for a day. If any of you guys have actually used any of the products that I've used today, let me know in the comment section down below just what you thought of it and what your thoughts are on it, because I'd love to know. I'd love to hear them. But yeah, so I don't know really. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I don't think it looks too bad. If you're enjoying my videos, then please subscribe to my channel. I'm not far off 100 subscribers and I'm so stoked. I can't wait for it, and I've got a big surprise coming when I do get to 100 subscribers. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a big thumbs up because it really does help, and any comments then just comment in the section just down below. Follow me on Instagram, which is Holly with an IE .rutter, and follow me on Twitter, which is Holly_makeup. And until next time guys, take care.